discuss about the major industries. Major industries. Raw materials, power supply, labor, market, transport facilities and capital are the necessary for any industry. Factors influencing location of industry. Availability of raw materials. All industries need heavy raw materials and are generally set up near the source of raw materials to save transportation costs. For iron and steel plants set up near iron ore mines and coal fields, as both iron ore and coal are difficult to transport. For example, Jamshedpur, Rourkela and Bhilai steel plants are in close to the iron ore, manganese and coal belts of the Chota Nagpur plateau. Below is an image of miners in coal mines. The second necessity is that availability of power. For any industry, power is a very important factor. Cheap, abundant and uninterrupted power supply is essential for any modern industry using large machines. Thermal power plants were the main source for many industries. After independence, hydroelectricity is generated using the force of falling water, helped to set up industries in distant areas away from mineral belts. This is an example of thermal power plantation. For hydroelectricity, let us take an example of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and Bakra Nangal Dam, which provides hydroelectricity by force of falling water. Coming to the next necessity, that is availability of transport. The availability of transport is an important factor for setting up any industry. Due to a good network of roads and railways, Ganga Plain has several industrial towns. Movement of raw materials to the factory and finished goods to the market depend upon transportation. Kolkata, Lucknow, Kanpur and Varanasi have many industries because these places are well connected by road, rail and air networks. Coming to the next step, that is availability of labor. Skilled and unskilled labor can be transported from different regions. Ganga Plain and the Hooghly Basin provide large quantity of unskilled labor for industries situated in these regions. Qualified and trained skilled laborers are hired from large cities due to their education profiles. Coming to the next type, market. Industry's main aim is to sell the product so they can find a market where they can sell their product. Industries of certain types are set in specific regions where their goods can be sold easily. Ahmedabad is well known for cotton textile industry. The other factors such as financial and banking facilities, climate, government policies, etc. also influence directly or indirectly. Let us now discuss about iron and steel industry. The iron and steel industry is a basic industry since the steel plant is used in all other industries for manufacturing of machinery. Iron ore, coal and limestone are the major raw materials. The iron and steel industry is the backbone of industry for any country. The steel plants at Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Jamshedpur and Rourkela are located in Chota Nagpur plateau. Iron ore and coal are very easily available in these areas. Coming to the textile industry. Textile industry. This industry has grown being a small cottage industry to a large-scale industry employing lakhs of people. India is one of the leading producers of cotton textile. India, Japan, China, Korea and Russia are the main silk producers. India and Bangladesh are also the main producers of jute and manufacturers of jute. Woolen textile industries are source of raw materials from New Zealand, Australia and South Africa. Chemical industry. This industry derives its raw materials and minerals such as oil, natural gas and agriculture products and vegetable oils and spices. A variety of chemicals producing in all large cities in India. Engineering industry. Industrial machines, machine parts, aircrafts, cars, railway engines, etc. are made in this industry. Major centers of engineering industry are Kolkata, Delhi, Pune, Bengaluru and Bhopal.